Hey y'all, welcome back. About to get started on this dyno over here. It's a paint job and then gonna black everything out and swap the bars. So right now, gonna get it all pulled apart and probably get started on the black work. All right, so real quick, want to just show y'all everything, how sanded down all that is. It's been done with 80 grit on a DA, and there is no shine left, really. And you can see even the fins have been done. Everything's been degreased. All of the factory powder coat that was coming loose, I took a paint scraper, busted it all off, and then everything's been sanded with 80 grit and then degreased with wax and grease remover, which I got right there. So going into the paints I use either the header paint or the grill paint, but they're both Rust-Oleum and they're both high temp ceramic coated, gas and oil resistant. So either which one I use. If I can't find this one, I'll get the grill paint. It works the same. But you get this really flat finish and it works perfect for a primer. After 2 coats of that, I put the engine paint. Once again, Rust-Oleum brand. Now on exhaust, I don't put the engine paint. I just put the high temp header paint on there. And so you'll notice the difference when it's sprayed. This one will be more glossy, this will be flat. Everything else I do, like right here, that satin finish is Krylon Fusion. And I love that stuff, man. It sprays out great. You get a perfect, smooth, even finish. And so for like when I got the fender struts, they're over there. When those get done, they're gonna be done with the Krylon Fusion. Pretty much the fork tubes, all that stuff gets done with the Krylon Fusion. It works great, man. That's the best stuff I've ever sprayed out of a can, but it's not gas and oil resistant. So if you get gas on it, it's gonna bubble up or whatever. You know, it's not gonna look good anymore. Just something to keep in mind. But these are gas and oil resistant. And so, you know, if you get a bunch of gas on them, it will eat through. But if you just get a little splash, it ain't gonna hurt them. So, yeah. Everything is ready. Time to spray. So while that dries, I'm gonna go ahead and sand these wheels and put a light coat of that Krylon Fusion on them. They're just rusty. You know, he's gonna put mag wheels on this bike, but he just did tires, so you know he's got 5,000 to 10,000 miles for he needs tires, and then he's not going to get the mag wheels anytime soon, basically. So with all this rust, I don't want to put the bike back together, everything done except for the wheels looking ugly. So I'm just going to sand them and spray them before I put it back together, just to make it look better until he does get his new wheels.